All right, now I'm ready.
Actually, there's a leak still somewhere.
I thought about it. What's the discharge? We just in there.
There's a big leak. There's a big leak somewhere.
Great.
Not this week.
All right, 1 second.
Okay.
Jackie, come here. I won't do it. She got it. I can't do it.
I don't know if this is gonna work or not because I think we're still limited. But
Oh!
Oh, in the dirt. In the dirt.
Ah, too bad I didn't get all that. But I did get him coming out the cannon.
okay, let's